Hello everybody, I'm Tony Frisella Jr. with Frisella Nursery. Happy Mother's Day weekend to all the mothers out there as we enter into this glorious weekend. Just had a great conversation with a lady here at our garden center, and we were looking at selecting a shrub for an area in her yard, and she had previously selected abelia for the site that she was wanting to fill. And after we had a conversation and talked about some of the soil conditions and some of the concerns about hardiness and the ease to take care of it, I steered her towards the direction of Spirea. So this is one of the Artist Series Spirea, one of the newer varieties that's out on market. This is Doozie. I suggested this to her because this is a very hardy piece of plant material. It goes in the ground. It doesn't need a whole lot of tender loving care, just enough to get to the establishment period. On top of that, the color of it, the new spring foliage, as you can see coming out here, is absolutely striking. The blooms on it are larger than any other bloom on the Spirea out there, and the fall color is absolutely amazing. Better than that is in the late winter, early fall, when it comes time to prune some of these shrubs, it gets cut right back down to the ground if you really just want to have an easier way to maintain the shrub. So just want to throw that out there today about this conversation I had with this woman. Hopefully that helps everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to come into Frisella Nursery. We're more than happy to help you with any plant questions that you have.